Sweden considers tax breaks for repairs. Consumer culture is everywhere these days, but along with it comes throwaway culture. That is, people often throw things out instead of trying to fix them first. Sweden is considering fighting this with a new law that would give people money back for the repairs they've paid for. The tax breaks could apply to anything from bicycles and clothes to washing machines. The move was proposed by Sweden's Social Democratic Party and Green Party. If passed, it will cut taxes on repairs from 25% to 12%. Per Bolund, Sweden's Minister for Financial Markets and Consumer Affairs, says the law makes sense. He says many Swedish people these days want to be greener. Sweden hopes to bring down its carbon footprint with these new measures. Currently, the country's carbon footprint is 17% larger than the government goal. In 2015, the government collected 58,000 tons of dumped appliances, something it hopes to reduce in the future. Time will tell if Sweden's newest effort will pay off and lead to greener living.
Vocabulary:
Consumer, throwaway, tax break, democratic, minister, financial, carbon footprint, appliance.